So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Game Pass language bugs on your Windows devices. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the settings of the Windows. Inside the settings, you can easily find the settings on the start menu. Inside the settings, go to the option of time and language. Inside here, click on this option of region. Now make sure that the exact correct region has been selected for you. Now in my case, here go to this option of country or region, and under this drop down list, make sure that you select a correct country, and from here make sure to regional format, make sure to set on this option of recommended. Once you do it, restart your laptop and you will find that your problems will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.